Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And now we are going to look onto the interesting topic. Okay. Before that, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And now we are going to my name is I am Mohammed Faraz. My register number is 22 MIS 569. I'm pursuing in VAT Vellore Institute of Technology, and I'm going to discuss on the topic of agile development process. Agile development process. It is the software development process used to design when the software is very complicated. It is used when the software is quite sensitive and complicated, and it is when security is more important, where the proficient and development of the software is much needed. So before that, we have to, in agile development process, we have planning, requirement analyzing, designing the project, and implementing and testing and deployment. It makes agile methodology to develop a project or a product, so that the advantages of agile software development is when you have flexibility and customer involvement, continuous delivery and collaboration, yearly and frequent testing of the software. And where we can see the disadvantages of agile means like lack of predictability, limited documentation, time and resource constraints, and less emphasis on planning and resistance to change. And these are the disadvantages of agile development. Now we are going to look into the what is the difference between agile methodology and a traditional method. We are going to see what is the traditional method and between the agile software development. As we have said that we are going to discuss or see the difference between the traditional and agile. Now I will just list out some. I will just tell you a easy way of a easy way in a easy way. I will let you know. As in traditional software development and agile software development, the softwares are made in traditional. The softwares are made very simple. As in agile, we are it is used to develop a complicated software. Means a large software which it takes more than a couple of months, or which is very complicated, where they have a good security. As we have said, as I have said, we need a good security and a designing, and most of the things are been we are can we look into the agile software development. As in this in traditional methodology, when once testing is done, and the development phase is also completed. In this whereas in agile methodology, the testing and development process are performed concurrently. If as we have seen in traditional linear organization exceptional structures, and it is whereas in agile it is a iterative organization structure. As I said I beforely, in traditional software development, it needs less security, as whereas in agile it needs a high security. As it is as before, when the project has given to the stakeholder, as as when we give the project to a developer, there will be a less interaction between the developer can be done in traditional method. But in whereas in agile method, there will be a more there will be client involvement will be more compared to traditional method. And there will be less functionality in the traditional, whereas in agile will be more functionality. Why so that as we said as we said, the client involvement will be more in agile, so that the feedback loop, what it takes it takes it takes a it has a good client involvement with the developer, so that the whatever the developer collects the feedback of the client, and it modifies, and it takes the customer satisfaction of that model, so that it is very good agile methodology compared to traditional. This is what we need when some issues or some according to the stakeholders. This developer, the program is developing for the sake of stakeholders and client only. If a client is not satisfied that satisfied with the project, means how come? So we just make feedback, so that according to them, according to their easiness, according to their way of how they are comfortable, the agile developers are getting the feedback, and they are introducing in their programs. As in traditional method, fresh developers like freshers were coming to the program developer side to develop the program. But in agile methodology, more professional programmers are coming to develop the program. As we have seen, these are the way the like you can see, you can tell that professional programmers are coming in agile method, whereas in traditional they are being freshers. So you can easily you can say that traditional methods are very traditional method cost is very less, and in agile method the cost can be very high compared to traditional. But most of them opt agile method, so that comfortable of the stakeholders, or uh, stakeholders of the uh, means programmers of the stakeholders, which are they are comfortable with their programs, right? The how they are going to, so they are going to optimize, choose the agile method. And in a traditional method, they have 5 phases for I think development, I think so. Majority consists of 5 phases, I think so. But in agile method, it consists of 3 phases. Like in traditional method, we can see, as in my previous video, in previous channel, in previous video, I have said waterfall model, V model. This all comes in a traditional method, like incremental model, spiral model. This model all comes in the traditional method. As we have seen in agile method, the Scrum, the Crystal, dynamic system development, feature driven development, FDD, adaptive software development, as can we can see. Here after that, we are going to see the 12 principles of agile 12 principles. As before that, going to 12 principles, the main 4 pillars of agiles are individuals and interaction over process and tools. Second one is working software over conference documents, and third one is customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and fourth one is responding to change over following a plan. And here briefly we can say that these are the 4 pillars of agile, and we are going to see the 12 principles of 12 principle of agile. It is first one is customer satisfaction. As before itself said, agile is mainly agile is for customer satisfaction, because most of the customer involvement is there with the stakeholders and the developers, so that the feedback has been given, though, so that the feedback according to the customer, it has been the developers have been producing or doing the program according to them. Okay, so first 12 I will just list out the first 12 agiles of the methodology. First one is customer satisfaction, and second one is changing requirement. Third one is frequent delivery. Fourth one is promoting collaboration. Fifth one is motivated individuals. Sixth one is face-to-face communication, and seventh one is maintain a constant phase, and eighth one is measure progress, and ninth one is technical excellence. 10th one is simplicity. 11th is self-organized teams, and 12 is continuous improvements on the programs. These are the things which mm, it gives agile 12 principles. As we have seen the four pillars of agiles and 12 principles of agile methodology, we can easily say that uh, agile is very customer satisfaction, customer involvement is there, and feedback loop is there, and most of it is agile methodology according to our satisfaction, according to our easiness. The programs are being implemented, okay, in an easy way. I can say according to the customer satisfaction and customer involvement into the programs can say. I can say that how our customer are getting involvement in the programs, right? They also known as they can be a part of a developer also. Yeah, because they just suggest that if the icons and the whatever the things of the program should be whatever, where to come, where not to come, and they give such suggestions, or in the with the developers in agile. it, they are also a simple kind of a developer, I think so. So now we are going to see, how the it is useful in the industry, development industry, as have all these things are also all these things also, whatever the things I have said is also uh, same what I have previously discussed. Rather than that, I will just say some 2 to 3 points for this how it is useful in the industries, okay. Through enhanced team collab, as I said, it is useful in industry like as team collaboration, customer centric development, rapid iteration, and early issue detection. This all helps in agile develop. This agile methodology can be helpful to this industry purpose, like delivering high quality software by using the embracing agile principles of agile teams, principle of agile, and it can be using the four pillars of agiles. As agile is very developed in agile was developed for software development. Its principles and practices are increasingly being adopted for the non-software projects, okay. So industries such as marketing, HR, and finance are embracing agile methodologies to improve project management, collaboration, adaptability. So from this, I am going to close this going to end this topic on agile development process. Here is a kind information that if you guys have been did if you guys if you guys are well, if you guys were been understood with uh, my speech and my topic, you can like my video and press the bell icon, so that further bell icon, so that further the video is been posted means you will get the notification. So further you have some doubts means, please comment on this video. Hope so I will be helpful to clarify your doubts. Thank you, and subscribe my channel without fail. Okay, bye guys.